Welcome back, everyone. Can you guess what we're going to work on? I bet you did. Here she is. 76 Monte Carlo. $94,000 miles on it. Doors shut like new. Hasn't been washed in a long time. Monte Carlos are my favorite. We got some damage to fix on it. So, let's wash it. There we go. First wash in years. Looking good. So, we have some quarter problems. Rockers are good. Floors seem to be good. So we might just do quarter skins. And possibly fenders. Depending on how bad they are when we get that trim off. But should clean up good. Interior is good, so we don't really got to do anything with that. Got to clean it. Definitely mice problems. Yeah. Mice problems. So that's what I gotta deal with. It's hot as balls here, so I'm gonna take off. But this is a sneak peek. Like, subscribe, comment, share us. Deuces.